Good morning student, I am your maths teacher Bhavna. Today I am continuing your class with the chapter 3 on addition. In the previous classes you had studied about addition on number line and addition of two-digit number with carry and without carry. Today I am continuing your class with addition of three-digit number without carrying and with carry. Before continuing my class, I am taking some example of two-digit number so that you can recall how you have done the addition of two-digit number. Suppose I have taken a two-digit number 62 and 35. Suppose we have to add 62 and 35. First we will see their position. Ones, tens. This is ones and tens. So 5 is in ones place and 3 is in tens place. Here 2 is on ones place and 6 is on tens place. So how we are writing? Ones, tens. So which number is first on ones place? It is 2, then 6, next is 35. So we are adding, so we are putting the sign of addition. Now as you know all, during addition we are first adding the digit which are on the ones place. So which number are on the ones place? It is 2 and 5. So first we will draw 2 lines. Next number is 5, so we will draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will do the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got 2 plus 5, we got 7. Next we will add the digit in the tens place. It is 6 and 3. So first we will draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next we will draw how much line? Next is 3. So we will draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how much we got? 6 plus 3? 9. So we got the answer 97 on adding 62 plus 35. This is how we do the addition of two-digit number without carrying. Now I am going to tell you one more example of addition with carry. Suppose I have taken 36 plus 37. So we will write according to their position. So ones, tens, here also ones and tens. So first number is 36, so we will write here 36. Next is 37, so we have written 37. So adding, so plus. So which digit we will add? First the digit on the ones place. It is 6 plus 7. So first we will draw how much line? 6 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 7 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will do now the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much we got? 30. Now we got the two-digit number. We can't write this two-digit number here. So the digit which is on the ones place we are writing here, and the digit we got in the tens place we gave it to carry over to the next number. So here we will write here 3 and we will give 1 to the carryover. Now in the tens place we have 1, 3, 3. This one also we have add with this 2, 3. So first we will draw how much line? 1, then how much line? 3. 1, 2, 3. Again the next number is 3. So we will draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Now total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So on adding 1 plus 3 plus 3 we got 7. So how much we got? 73. This is how we do the addition of two-digit number without carrying and addition of two-digit number with carry. Now I will tell you addition of three-digit number. Addition of three-digit number without carrying. Let us take an example of three-digit number without carrying. Suppose I have 415. I have to add 263 to it. This is 415 is a three-digit number and 263 is also a three-digit number. Suppose now we have to add these two. First we will see their position. It is ones, tens, 100. It is ones, tens, 100. Now we will write according to their position. Ones, tens, 100. So 5, 1, 4, 3, 6, 2. We are doing addition, so we are putting the sign of plus. Now, as you all know, first we are going to add the digit in the ones place. So, which digit is in the ones place? It is 5. So, we will draw how many line? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, how much line we will draw next? 3. 1, 2, 3. So, we will add together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, 5 plus 3, how much it is? 8. Now, we will add the, after ones place, we will add the tens place. How much is written in the tens place? It is written 1. Next, how much is written? 6. So, we will draw 6 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, how much the total will be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 1 plus 6, how much we got? 7. Now, after tens place, we will add the hundred place. Which number is written in the hundreds place? 4 and 2. So, first we will draw 4 line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we will draw 2 lines. 1, 2. How much we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 4 plus 2, how much we got? 6. So, total we got 678. This is how we do the addition of 3-digit number without carrying. Let us see one more example. If I have taken 271 added to 428. Again, we will see their position. Ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred. So, we will write ones, tens, hundred. So, the first digit is 271. 271. Next is 428. We are doing addition, so we are putting the sign of plus. So, as you know, first which digit we will add? We will add the digits in the ones place. It is 1 and 8. So, first we will draw how much line? 1, then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, how much is total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 1 plus 8 is 9. Next, we will add the digit in the tens place. How much it is? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, how much it is? 2. So, 1, 2. Now, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. Now, after tens place, we will add the digit in the hundred place. It is 2 and 4. So, first we will draw how much line? 2 lines. 1, 2. Then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 2 plus 4 is 6. How much we got? 699. Now, I will tell you addition of 3-digit number with carry. Addition of 3-digit number with carry. Suppose let us take an example. 456 we are going to add to 389. First we will see their position. Ones, tens, hundred. Here it is also ones, tens, hundred. So we will write according to their place. First digit is 456. Next is 389. We are doing addition, so we are putting the sign of plus. As you know, we are going to first add the digit in the ones place. It is 6 and 9. So, first we will draw how much line? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, how much you got? 15. Again, which digit we will write in the we have got 2-digit number, so the digit in the ones place is 5, so we will write 5 here and 1 will go the carryover. Now in the tens place we got 1, 5, 8, so we will draw first 1 line, then 5 line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 8 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we will do total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Again here 14, we will write 4 here and 1 will go carry over. Again we will add 1, 4 and 3. So 1, then 4 line, 1 2 3 4, then 3 line, 1 2 3. Now total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So how much we got on adding 456 to 389? 845. Let us take one more example for it. Addition of 3-digit number with carryover. I have taken 545 adding to 478. So we will see their position. It is ones, tens, hundred. Again it is ones, tens, hundred. So we will write according to their position. First digit we have taken 545. Second digit I have taken 478. Now we are doing addition, so I have put the sign of addition. Now we will add the digit in the ones place first. The digit in the ones place is 5 and 8. So first we will draw how much line? 5 line. 1 2 3 4 5. Then what is next below the 5? 8. So we will draw 8 line. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now we will do total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So how much we got? 30. So which digit we will write here? The digit which is in the ones place. So the digit which digit is in the ones place? It is 3. So we will write here 3 and 1 will go borrow to the next digit. Now in tens place we are having 1 4 and 7. So first we will draw how much line? We will draw 1 line. 1 line. Then how much we will draw next? 4 line. 1 2 3 4. Next how much line we will draw? 7 line. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now total we will do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. How much we got? 12. So again we will write the digit in the ones place here, and this one will go borrow to the next digit. Now in hundred place we are having 1 5 and 4. First we will draw how much line? 1 line. Next we will draw how much line? 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Next is 4, so we will draw 4 lines. 1 2 3 4. Now we will add 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and this is 10. Again we got the 2-digit number. Now again we got the 2-digit number, but after 100 place there is no digit. We can't give carryover to the next digit. So we will write 10 as it is here. Now I am taking one more example of with carry and explain you one more sum. Suppose I have taken 434 added to 386. Suppose we will again see the position ones, tens, hundred. It is also ones, tens, hundred. So we will write according to their position. 434. We are doing addition, so I have put the sign of plus. Next is 386. Now first we will add the digit in the ones place. So first it is 4. So we will draw 4 line. 1 2 3 4. Then it is 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we will add 4 plus 6. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. How much we got? 10. So digit in the ones place is 0. So we will write 0 here, and 1 will go carry over to the next digit in the tens place. Now in the tens place we got 1 3 8. So we will add 1. Then we will draw 3 lines. 1 2 3, then 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now we will do total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. We got 12. So the digit in the ones place is 2. So we will write 2 in the answer place, and 1 will go carry over. Now in the 100 place it is 1 4 and 3. So for the 100 place we will draw first 1 line, then 4 lines. 1 2 3 4. Again 3 lines. 1 2 3. Now we will do the total 1 2 3 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much we got? 1 plus 4 plus 3, 8. So answer we got is 820. Thank you students. I hope that you have all understood the addition of 3-digit number with carry and without carry. Thank you students.